Let me see. Can we get out here, sir? Mm-hmm. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you. Yeah. Thanks, man. All right. Well, we just got here and we just got out the cab. Right now we in Central Park, and I ain't gonna lie, there was a snowstorm yesterday. And we downtown right now on the west side. This is Central Park Avenue, man. This is Central Park Avenue, one of the most famous blocks on earth. You know what I mean? As you can see, the park is right in front of us. They got the trains over here. So if you're trying to come over here and you're not taking a cab or something, they got the trains. They got the C train, the B train. You know what I mean? Over there, we got the skyscrapers, man. That's where the billionaires, the millionaires live at. Everybody over here, 9 times out of 10, you know, got money, I ain't gonna lie. So we about to go in Central Park. We about to go see what's up. It's not snowing right now. Yesterday it was snowing, but right now it's not. So we can walk around, we can see. You know what I'm saying? We can see what's going on. I'm not sure if everyone's on sleds or if they're doing like the snowboarding thing. They might not be right now because today like a normal day. But we're gonna see what's up, man.
Today was a day that even the dogs stopped to see what all the snow was about. On a day when the snow comes down heavy enough to hush the city, Central Park turns into something else entirely.
I didn't even get no chapstick, no nothing. It's cool though. This is what it's like, man. If you ever was wondering, and you're like, yo, how high is the snow? The snow is that high right there. You gotta be able to maneuver. You know? See this right here? Look at my leg, look. See what I'm saying? If you gotta do that, just stay in the house. Don't come outside. I'm out here for y'all, man. We in Central Park right now, New York City. Damn, I messed up my jacket. Y'all messed up my jacket, bro. When I made that jump, my whole jacket got messed up. Damn, that's crazy, right? When you buy cheap stuff, this is what happens. Hold up. I'm gonna come down that way. What's up, man? How you doing? Okay. What's up, y'all? Let me go like this. Please work. This is how it looks in the city, yo. I ain't gonna lie, the snow's it's a day old. The snow is 1 day old, so it's gonna be a little dirty. It's not gonna be that fresh white snow. I was gonna come outside yesterday, but I was too comfortable in the house, I ain't gonna lie. You know?
Back up to the Big Apple, where we just had our biggest snow in 5 years' time. Big time ripple effects across the country as the whole system tries to get back on schedule. It's going to be a bit.
High winds, the bitter cold, being inside seemed more delightful.
This is what Central Park is like. Everybody on sleds, you know what I'm saying? Having fun with their friends and with their families. I ain't playing, man. All of us is just out here just enjoying the snow. Because even though it's cold, I'd rather it be cold and be snowing than just be cold by itself. And you know, I'd rather at least have some snow around if it's gonna be freezing like this. Can we play around and throw snowballs and the kids go on the sleds and we have some fun and see something different? Dang, it's just cold for no reason. That's why I like the snow, you know? That's another thing too. I feel like kind of like now, like, yo, since it's 2026, the videos I'm making, hold on a second. Somebody calling me. Hello? Hey. I'm in Central Park right now. Walking around, recording. You?
I'm about to go to the mall in a little bit, but
Call me on FaceTime.
What?
Call me on FaceTime since you said I don't FaceTime you. Call me on FaceTime, man. For once. Hey, you still in the house. You lied. You a liar, man.
Are there people out outside?
Yeah, there's a lot of people out here.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, the road is clear.
I wish you was here, man.
I know.
No, hold on. Look at me and you right here. You want to see something? Look at me and you. See it? Hopefully, let's see. She might disappear. You never know. You know how it is.
Wow.
You know how it is, man. I hope not.
Why even manifest that?
I don't call you on FaceTime enough, or I don't text you enough. That's crazy.
You don't talk to me.
I feel like I do. You feel like I'm not talking to you? I talk to you a lot. In my mind, I talk to you more than most people on Earth.
You be leaving me on red.
What you mean I leave you on red? It shows?
No, but...
Oh, okay. I'm about to say. I don't talk to nobody. I don't talk much.
I could tell that.
Yeah. You know I'm a little different in the... Come on, man. I already told you I'm a little different when it comes to, like, ADHD. You know what I'm saying? Kind of being a little neurodivergent. Well, anyways, we're about to go over here because I want to take a photo. I want to take a picture, man. You know what I mean? So right now, we still in Central Park. The snow is still white and everything is still fresh. And it's still daytime. Feel me? I'm gonna come over here. When I'm done with the photos, I'm gonna show you guys what I created and what I made. It don't exist yet, but you'll see it before me. Yeah. Oh, this is firm snow. So with this snow, we're not gonna sink in, like over there. Whoa. Okay. Time to zip up. Time to zip up. Yeah. How about look? I look stupid? Look what I'm going through. Look. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Look right here. Ooh. Oh.
The National Weather Service reported 4.3 inches in Central Park, the most since 2022.
The snow removal is super important in getting New York City and commerce back, and that's what we witnessed. Huge piles of snow with tractor trailers moving it into the back of dump trucks.
You know? So right now we gotta make it out of here. It's not easy. As you can see how I'm walking, look. You see that?
And then Central Park and all of its beauty, and the people with, out here, kids have no school, so there's kids out here sledding, families walking around, and tourists taking in the magic.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm walking and I'm looking at the view, and the view is so nice. I wish you guys was with me here in person. Look. Look at that. Yeah, we outside, man. So yeah, we about to go back to the west side. We out of here tonight. I'm not gonna lie, it's not a normal day. It's cold. My hands is cold even though I'm wearing gloves. But it's still cold out here, so we about to go to the west side. We about to go get something to eat. And we gonna see what's up, man. And we out of here. Everyone that's been rocking with me, I really appreciate y'all, man. And until next time, peace out.